Look, you can pick your friends, just not their zits. Gotta pop something? Take some bubble wrap and fill it with paint. Much more fun than pus. Why, it's fun for the whole classroom. You know, teachers asking if you brought enough for everyone is not a challenge.
Oops.
Quick, eat it before she notices. Or better yet, pants. Yes, is there anything pants can't do? Especially when they come with really big pockets. Pockets are sort of a quality over quantity sort of deal. Oh, such yummy fruit. But I call dibs on that Twix. Show us your hands. Teacher's none the wiser. Just one thing, don't sit down. Is the Twix okay? Is it a paste? An adhesive? No! It's super glue! Of course, with great glue comes great responsibility. Don't worry, Ken is always willing to lend a head. Besides, Ken sure does have a head for education. Messy eater? It's good to keep tissues, or TP, on hand. Also comes in handy when friends are feeling blue. But let's not forget that TP has other uses. It's important to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep. But you should really aim for nighttime. Well, maybe she wanted a new look. She's blue, and she's in good company. Is that face paint, or is she just blushing? I mean, they said we could personalize the lockers, but I guess you should really stick to your own. Suction cups are great when you don't want to dirty your hands. It can also help you hang things from your desk.
Ew.
And helps people keep their hands to themselves. Oh, looks like someone has something to share.
Wow.
Well, I'm confused, unless there's a secret message. Try these red sunglasses. Oh, someone likes you. But now you know everyone's secret. You'll get these back at the end of the year, I hope. Tall people shouldn't look down on everyone. Never mind. Maybe all you need is a little lift. Let's put all those pencils to use. Slip them on and reach for the high shelf. And think of all the art you can make with your heels. The best revenge is always rainbow-colored. Never underestimate the power of great shoes. After all, they do come in pairs. Wow, he must really tip his hairdresser.
Wow.
Don't worry, a new do can be closer than you think. Line up those markers, rainbow style, and run them through your hair. Stop at a streak or do the whole head.
Wow!
He's impressed, and it's not even in a mohawk yet. Guess she made all her pencils into shoes. Well, maybe someone has one they can lend. Perhaps we can sharpen off that mess. Or better yet, it could use a whole makeover. Add a face. And everyone can use a crown. It can hold things for you, like lollipops. Things you're meant to put in your mouth. Oh, I guess she did have a pencil after all. Ah, it's time for art class. Then again, whatever we can do, robots can do better. Just make sure the pencil's secure. And show it what you want it to draw. Watch it go, all with the push of a button. Would you look at that? So that's how your garden grows. Still, can a robot really take on human imagination? Challenge accepted. One girl with pearl earring coming right up. I guess it's good for a rough draft. Still, there's a reason these things have erasers. You really shouldn't bring your phone out. Candy too. Same with toys, unless it's show and tell. Well, all your items are going to phone jail. Which can hold more than just phones. Well, there's a phone in there. Maybe call your lawyer. Breakfast is important, but don't leave a mess. Don't worry, the answers are in the box. Not literally. Just add a skewer and some wheels on the sides. Add some paper. Cut it up. And it's a makeshift sweeper. Now come on, let's see it in action. Careful. Silly rabbit, that cereal's for kids. We just went over this. Your phone's got priors. But maybe all we need is a little hiding space. So try this. Take a selfie of yourself. Cut out half and add to your face. Just be careful with anyone close. Well, on the plus side, free mustache. It's time for a yummy snack. I hope Blue likes his new bikini. Then again, ice cream's a terrible thing to waste. Wow, you can see Blue's skeleton. He could use a few good organs. Ah, the heart, for all your blood-pumping needs. He's a real boy. Oh, I guess they were clip-ons. Can someone get him a napkin? A thank you would be nice. Hope they brought mustaches for everyone. School-pendous stuff. Catch you next time.